Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick mock-up video of how I would use YouNow in this activity. So what the students are first going to do when they get to younow.com is create an account. Here is my account. To get to your profile, you're just going to click this button up here and then hit profile. And then they can add fans or, friends. Right now I just have one friend. I added my mom because she's kind of helping me out with this mock video. It's nice because when you add a fan, your video will pop up on their page, like one of the first ones, and it notifies them that you're starting a live video. So you don't have to go searching for their video of all these live videos going on. So to start the live video, you're going to hit go live and you have to select one of these. I just selected camera, and then you have to create a hashtag. So for my hashtag, I'm going to do mock up video, and then you're going to hit this button, and then you're going to create your title, mock up video. And then this just has a profile picture. I'm just going to skip that, so I'm going to hit next. And I should be coming on here. Hello, that's me. And then I'm going to go ahead and click go live. And then once I'm live, my mom's going to get a notification and she is going to log on to my video and watch it. And then I'm going to have her comment so you can see how that works. So I'm live. Hello everybody. So I'm live now on YouNow, and my mom is going to go ahead and refresh her page, and then she should be logging on. Sorry, my computer is overheating, so it might get a little loud. I'm just going to go tell her quick to go refresh the page. So here, up here, it's showing that she is watching it, and then pretty soon she should be sending me a chat. Oh, there she goes. So she said test for you. Thanks, Mom. She's watching it live, and she's commenting on it in real time, which is super nice. So I would have my students, she said no problem. So funny. So this is really nice because when the students are presenting their lessons and they're talking about it, the other group members can comment on it saying, hey, I really like that you said that, or good job aligning your lesson with the integration model that you selected, and they can kind of provide that feedback in real time. Or if they're not doing a good job aligning their lesson with the model, and they can say, hey, you can fix this. So it's very evident that there is student collaboration going on using YouNow and learning, not only for the person making the video, but also for the person evaluating it and giving that feedback. So thank you for watching. I'm just going to go ahead and end my live video. So here's the end button. And now my video has ended. So yeah, that's kind of how I would use YouNow to in education for my students to kind of present their lessons and get that real-time feedback. So thanks for watching.